Hello everyone, I am Professor Priyanka Shahane. In this video, we are going to study the Sklearn Datasets in machine learning. This is my short introduction. I am currently working as an assistant professor at Computer Engineering Department of Pune Institute of Computer Technology. I am having around 5 years of experience in different fields like teaching, machine learning research, software development, student counseling, and HR management. I have published around 8 research papers in different national as well as international journals like IEEE, IJMD, IRJT, IJRDT, and JETIR. I have delivered expert sessions and workshops on machine learning at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Sandeep Institute of Engineering and Management, and Devinsep Private Limited. Also, I am certified in artificial intelligence by reputed organizations like IBM, Accenture, TCS, Harvard University, Microsoft, AICTE, EduNet, and Udemy. The vision of our department is to achieve academic excellence through education in computing, to create intellectual manpower to explore professional, higher educational, and social opportunities. The mission of our department is to impart learning by educating students with conceptual knowledge and hands-on practices using modern tools, force technologies, and competency skills, thereby igniting the young minds for innovative thinking, professional expertise, and research. Now let us see what is Sklearn Dataset. Sklearn is a most useful library for machine learning in Python programming language, and it provides some built-in datasets that can be used for testing purposes. All these datasets are available in this Sklearn.datasets package and have the common structure. Here data instance variable x contains the whole input set and target variable y contains labels for classification or target values for regression. For example, if you are performing cat and dog image classification using any machine learning algorithm, then variable x will contain values of important features for this classification. In this case, important features can be color of eyes, presence of whiskers, height of that animal, shape of ears, etc. Whereas variable y will contain labels of classification for given image. In this case, these labels are cat and dog. Now let us see the actual implementation. This is Google Colab. Google Colab provides online environment for Python programming. Our first line is import sklearn. It means we are importing Sklearn library. Here we have imported Sklearn library because this library contains datasets package. In the next line, we import this datasets package from Sklearn. Then we use dir function to display list of datasets stored in the datasets package. Here we can see all the datasets stored in the dataset package of Sklearn library. From these datasets, we will choose breast cancer dataset for further processing. In order to use this dataset, first of all, we need to load this dataset and store it in some variable. So here we have created variable named as breast cancer and loaded the breast cancer dataset to this variable from the datasets package. Now let us see what is there in this dataset. We all know that in machine learning, classification is done based on values of features. In order to extract features used in the dataset, there is method named as feature underscore names. So here I have written dataset name, that is breast cancer dot feature underscore names. In order to display all features in this dataset, I have written it inside print function. Here we can see the various features in this dataset are mean radius, mean texture, mean perimeter, mean area, etc. All these features are important in order to identify whether the given tumor is malignant, means cancerous, or it is benign, means non-cancerous. On next line, data method is used. This method returns the values of all the features. For example, mean radius of first tumor is 1.799, mean texture is 1.038, and so on. Target method returns the output classes for our records. For example, record of first tumor output class is 0. Here we have two classes, that is class 0 and class 1. In order to display names of these two classes, target underscore names method is there. Here class 0 corresponds to malignant and class 1 corresponds to benign. Also, the characteristics of dataset can be displayed using DESCR method. This method has returned the number of instances, means number of records in the dataset, number of attributes, means features, information about those attributes, output classes, and summary statistics for this dataset. Thank you for watching.